Welcome back. Today, we're going to sharpen your skills for the Build a Sentence portion of the writing exam. We will begin by carefully analyzing a context sentence to understand the logical flow, and then we'll piece together scrambled words to form a grammatically perfect response. Let's get started on boosting your score. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert strategies. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. The student union offers free coffee every morning. The context sentence sets a helpful tone by mentioning that the organization offers free coffee daily. We should expect the next sentence to clarify the specific recipients or the nature of this provision. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we start with the definite article the. Next, we add the subject union. Then, we need a verb to show action, so we drag provides. After that, we add the adjective free. Then, the noun coffee. Next, we use the preposition to indicate the recipients. Then, we place the quantifier all, followed by the adjective registered. Finally, we end with the noun students. The Roman Colosseum hosted many ancient sporting events. This sentence introduces a historical venue known for sporting events in the past. Logically, the following sentence will describe the people who attended or the specific nature of those activities. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the subject thousands. Then, we add the preposition of. Next, we include the noun spectators. Then, we need the past tense verb, so we drag watched. After that, we add the article the, then the adjective famous. Next, we place the noun gladiators. Finally, we add the verb fight to complete the action. Lake Victoria is the largest lake in Africa. The prompt identifies a major geographical feature, the largest lake in the region. We can expect the answer to provide further details about its scale or its relationship with the surrounding area. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we start with the quantifier several. Then, we add the adjective different. Next, we place the subject countries. Then, we need the verb share. After that, we add the possessive pronoun its. Then, we place the adjective large. Next, we add the color adjective blue. Finally, we end with the noun waters. Most professors post grades on the school website. Here, the context explains how instructors post grades online for their classes. The following sentence should logically describe what this digital platform shows and for whom. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we start with the demonstrative adjective this. Next, we place the subject website. Then we drag the verb displays. After that, we add the adjective final. Then we place the noun exam. Next, we add the object grades. Then, we use the preposition for. Next, we place the quantifier every. Finally, we end with the noun student. Genghis Khan founded the largest land empire ever. This context sentence introduces a historical figure who created a massive land empire. We should anticipate that the next sentence will discuss the legacy or the governance of that vast territory. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we start with the possessive adjective his. Next, we add the subject descendants. Then, we drag the verb ruled. After that, we add the preposition over. Then, we place the quantifier many. Next, we add the adjective different. Then, we include the adjective distant. Finally, we finish with the noun regions. The Amazon River supports a diverse tropical ecosystem. The context focuses on the environmental importance of the Amazon and its diverse tropical ecosystem. It is logical to expect the next sentence to detail specific components like flora or fauna that benefit from this environment. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we start with the adjective tropical. Next, we place the subject forests. Then, we drag the verb provide. After that, we add the noun habitats. Then, we use the preposition for. Next, we place the quantifier many. Then, we add the adjective rare. Next, the modifier bird. Finally, we end with the noun species. Students can join the theater club this semester. This prompt mentions an extracurricular opportunity regarding the theater club on campus. The logical follow-up would describe the activities or responsibilities of the members involved. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the modifier theater. Next, we add the noun club. Then we include the subject members. After that, we drag the verb prepare. Next, we add the article a, then the noun play, followed by the preposition for. Next, we add the article the. Finally, we end with the noun audience. The Silk Road connected Asia and Europe together. The sentence highlights how this trade route connected Asia and Europe in a historical context. We should look for details in the next sentence regarding the people or goods that traveled along this path. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we start with the subject merchants. Next, we drag the past tense verb carried. Then, we add the adjective expensive. After that, we place the noun goods. Next, we use the preposition across. Then, we add the article the. Next, the adjective vast. Finally, we end with the noun deserts. To master the build a sentence task, always start by identifying the core subject and verb to establish a solid grammatical foundation. Ensure that adjectives and prepositions are placed logically to modify the correct nouns. Finally, always double-check that your completed sentence flows naturally from the context provided.